Good morning. Today we'll just go about seeing how we can download Tableau. This Tableau is an excellent software for presentation. I'll just type, and as I type we can see Tableau desktop, Tableau public. We need to download this Tableau public. So we have come to this site. It is clear. Just click this one. Here we are on the public version of Tableau. You can see every detail of it in this page, and it is not necessary you will have to sign up. You can also sign up to download. Here if you want to download now, go to create, and you have two options: download Tableau public edition, desktop public edition. You can see on the top of the menu in create, just click download. Your download should start. If you are not already registered, then it will ask your details. I'll just give my details, right, and I'll just click download. Download has to start automatically. The message has appeared here. Thank you for downloading desktop public edition, but download has not still started. Download has not still started. So we'll have to wait and see for a few seconds whether the download starts automatically. Else we'll have to click the option here. You can see for Mac you'll have to click here. For Windows you'll have to click here. So we have waited few seconds. If it doesn't download automatically, then since mine is a Windows version, Windows 10, I just click Windows. As I click Windows, you can see the dialog box that opens here. It starts to download. The file size is 568 MB. I am downloading through my institution internet. It downloads at the speed of 2.5 Mbps speed, and it can download with a time span of 3 to 4 minutes. Your download speed depends upon how speed your internet connection is. If you are downloading through mobile 5G, it will download at a good speed. If it is a 4G, it will take a little more time. That is all. So it is around half a GB of data you need to use it in mobile or your optic fiber or whatever the case is. So we'll just look in. I have actually already downloaded it, and I have a Tableau version. The Tableau version is on my downloads. We'll just go through it. You can see here the version is here, available here, right? And in downloads I have already downloaded and it is available. We'll just put pass here, right? Since I have already downloaded, I'll just show how to install. After you download, it will be in downloads, right? It will be in downloads. See, it is in the downloads. You can see it here. It is in the downloads folder. I am double clicking it. If you are not an administrator, see to that you right click and install. For example, right click like this, run as an administrator, right? So it has started. Since I have already installed this Tableau public 2025.2, it is asking me to repair or uninstall. These two options it is asking me. I can do either of these options. It will install whatever software it requires, and your setup will come to an end. I'll just give repair to show you how the progress goes. installation progress is also as same as this. It will start to install. If at all it requires some allied software, it will ask you permission to install. If you check tick mark and say to download, it will continue downloading those softwares too. For example, C++ distribution, redistribution packages and so forth. So this process will go on and it will start to install your Tableau public 2020-25. It is just installing. Remember, and you need a computer that is at least 8 GB of RAM to work with Tableau. My system configuration is not a high-end configuration. It is a AMD processor. Mine is HP 245 G5 laptop. It has an AMD processor, and this is not a high-end laptop. I have 6 GB of RAM and upgraded my hard disk to SSD, and I have 256 SSD hard disk which can make a read speed of around 500 Mbps. So only if you have at least SSD hard disk, you can work on Tableau with this version. Else it will take more time. That is all. Opening a window or processing will take a long time and you will be bored in working with Tableau. So you need at least an SSD hard disk or NVMe SSD. Anything is good. 8 GB RAM at least is good for this. See, it has started to repair and the repairing process has gone, and I have installed, and we'll just see it will be in my menu. I'll just search it here. It is there. Right. So I will just see how the repair comes to end, because there's nothing to repair, but still we'll just wait a few seconds. It will just come to end in few seconds. Since it's a repairing process, it will also do all the procedures of checking and installing files. In case you witness your public version doesn't function properly, you can use this option of repairing. Right, now you are aware about what repair is. Just double click the file that you have downloaded already and it will give you an option that it showed earlier, like repair and uninstall. Just click repair, that is enough. It will start to look all files and update the files again. If at all there are any corrupt files that has been downloaded earlier and updated when it was on internet. Right? As we work with the Tableau Public Edition, you can even use data from internet. You can use lots of data sources. Even you can use data sources from web. For that you will have to go into Tableau, desktop and so forth. There are server editions too. So it depends upon what version you are using. That much your files might modify when you are on internet as you download certain things. Right. Now we'll just go through. You have seen on the menu that I have already installed. The version is existing. It just needs a little more time. It is in the verge of completion. Hope it has repaired. It has taken hardly around 3 to 4 minutes. It has repaired. So my system has 6 GB of RAM and 256 SSD with 500 GB of hard disk. So you have seen what it has worked. You can work Tableau Public with this. This is not a high-end configuration. You can see I have clicked it. See the time it takes to open. Since it's 6 GB, it opens at least at this speed. If it is 4 GB, it will take a very long time. I tried with 4 GB too, and I had 2 GB in one of my obsolete laptops. which had the same speed of RAM. I just updated this laptop. So you see the screen is still has not updated or refreshed with the public edition. So you see how long it takes with 6 GB and 256 GB of SSD. It has taken around 45 seconds, right? So still after 45 seconds it has not opened. It has taken approximately at least 1 minute to open. That's why I request you to have at least 8 GB of RAM to use this software. It has opened, and already it says to recover one thing that I had already opened. I'll just click. It will repair and open that worksheet. As in MS Excel, you have lots of things. I just have certain things worked with the data. So this is the Tableau workbook. As you have in MS Excel, you have workbook here, and you have sheets below. You can see the sheets below, right? So this is about how to install Tableau public. This doesn't cost you anything. You can keep on using it, but the features are limited. As a student or educator, we can just use and see. When you are good in this, naturally you will go on next step. Today analysis have grown to different dimensions. So these are the simple ways of installing, and I have opened the Tableau, and you can see I have already opened MS Excel file. It contains these data, and I will choose to the question number 12 here. How confident, it starts the question here. Also you can see how confident. So it has displayed bar graph for it. We can do lots of modifications in this, right? And I have shown you how to install, and I have opened and show you how the screen appears. This is the full screen view. You can see the different panes here. These are various types of graphs that you can use in public version. You can also update through various other graphs or visualizations. Right. We'll just come to end of the video. You have seen the screens, and you can see what analysis have and what format has, what the map has. Right. In case of story, you are going to create story. In case of dashboard, we are going to create new dashboard. Right. I have given you simple introduction about using this. You can always go, if you have some MS Excel file. I have just used the file that one of my students did their research, that is their summer project, and that Excel file downloaded from Google Sheet has been opened by me in Tableau. This is the way you can open. There are lots of ways in which you can do. Right. Thank you for patience. We will see one by one about how to open and use files, and what are the options available in the coming videos. Thank you for watching my video. Keep updating knowledge. You can sit and learn by yourself. It is going to take a little more time. When you learn by yourself, it is one of the best ways. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.